and in charge of the nutrition, exercise, and health. We have Madam Rashmi Sharma with us, retail management course. We have Madam Sabina Batra with us, and she's in charge of management and secretarial practices. We have our keynote speaker of today's session, Madam Gopi Sharma, Director Kaushal Kendra, who will apprise you with these benefits of the skill development courses.
So we request Ma'am Principal to please address the audience.
Okay, good morning, everyone.
Madam Principal to kindly address the audience.
All right, good morning, everyone. First of all, once again, from my side, welcome to everyone to this webinar, which is focusing on skill development and an education which is more innovative, which is more 21st century savvy, and more empowering for the youth. I believe that a webinar of this nature at this time is extremely relevant and also informative for the students, because now this is the time when everyone has to think as to, the students have to think as to how they have to address their future, because it's the turn of the semester, the turn of the academic year, and also more importantly because of the COVID-19 situation and the very unprecedented, very unexpected and unheard of situation where information and the queries in the minds of the students, it's very natural that they need to know, they need to be clear about what lies ahead and how it's going to happen. So this webinar, to my understanding, is going to wave off many of your doubts, is going to show you a clear road as to how to go ahead with your careers, and how the young people are going to make this coming year substantial enough for their lives and their career to have the right direction and to make the right choices, and more importantly, the first decision as to what to do, what to join, and how to go about it. So all these aspects are going to be covered in this webinar, as I trust. After me, of course, I'm going to just address you briefly. After me, the keynote speaker, Dr. Gopi Sharma, who is the director of the Kaushal Kendra, is going to go into the details. And I hope that the question answer, the session after that will set at rest all your queries and your anxieties, and all the, the concepts that might be in your mind right now will be cleared. And the road ahead will be pretty clear in front of your eyes. Now, education for the past many years has been more innovative than ever before. The opportunities for the students are multiple these days. And the students have to think, and they have to decide how they can make the best use of these available opportunities. So, skill, as far as the 21st century is concerned, skill education is the mantra for empowerment. It is the way to go ahead as far as your academic and your personal career after your studies is concerned, because this is the time to empower yourselves, to test the job markets, and also to wave off any uncertainties of job markets, because the opportunities in job markets, traditional job markets, is reducing day by day, and there is very little scope ahead, and there's a big pyramid where the jobs are becoming less and less, and the bottom of the pyramid is the skill, is the empowerment that you can give to yourself through self-development and self-employment. And so if you want to go to the bottom of the pyramid and not depend on that top little space, then you have to go through a process which is going to empower you and which is going to give you ample opportunities and an ample space to grow, to empower, to earn your money, and to have a good life ahead. even in not only in the skill development programs, which are exclusively skill development, but even in the other programs, the traditional programs in our college, since we have an autonomous status, we have increased the, the percentage of the skill development. Like, for example, if you are doing some course in English, you are going to have more of skill like the spoken English or the writing skills or the speaking skills or the skills which will enable you to go further into jobs. So skill development programs, the government of India had particularly focused about 8 years ago. But before that, we had Kanya Mahavidyalaya had the vision to have a vocational studies block. So starting from there, about 10 years back, our planning was for, visionary and way ahead. So we were the first college to bag the Kaushal Kendra of the government of India some 8 years ago. And then some 6 years back, after that kept developing, we established our Kaushal Kendra. And no, this was actually 7 years ago. And I want to tell you that ours is not only the first one in this whole region, and the Guru Nanak Dev University affiliated colleges. Now we are an autonomous college, but that time we were affiliated. So our institution established the the Kaushal Kendra, the first ones, and we are not only the first ones, but we are also the best in skill development program, dispensation of education. Very developed infrastructure, high-tech laboratories which have been developed in a new building. It may be animation, it may be retail management, it may be management practices, it may be other programs. Every laboratory, every setup is very high-tech. And beyond that, what I want to say is that skill development programs are just not only skill development. They are very respectable. They are at par with all the other programs. The government of India has said that anybody who has done a BWalk will be eligible for, MBA's regular program. Just it will be at par with any BSc, or other undergrad programs like a BA or a BSc or a BCom. So you could go ahead in any other, postgraduate programs or in research or any other portals that you would like to apply to. And so these programs, why I'm telling you this is that they are not only focused on skill, they are focused on personality development, they are focused on professional development, they are focused on your spoken abilities, they are focused on your overall holistic development as a student. And on our campus in particular, we are involving the BWalk students in the larger programs of, whatever value-added programs we have, and they are regular students in the colleges. Why I'm saying this, that there is a myth, there's a misunderstanding that BWalk programs are a step down vis-a-vis the BScs and the BComs and the BAs. Not at all. I would say they are a step above. Why a step above? Because the component of the skill development is huge. If in other programs, as I told you, under autonomy, we have introduced some, we have upgraded the syllabus of traditional programs. In this program, but that is the low percentage of skill development. But in these, we have up to 80 to 90% program only focused on skill. And Dr. Gopi Sharma will also explain on how we have interacted, how we have integrated the industry to develop these programs so that you could be well employed, you could be just inducted into, you could just be sucked into the industries as far as jobs are concerned. So far our placements have been amazing. So it encourages us to do more innovation, to be more innovative, a new system, absolutely a new system of education, which is internationally accepted. The double certification of Sector Skill Councils of Government of India and Guru Nanak Dev University gives you an edge. That's why I said it's a step above than the normal degrees. So skill development in our country is the future. You know that Pradhan Mantri ji has just again announced that there will be, self-reliance, there will be industry. And in the coming times, post-COVID-19, I'm telling you, there is going to be a whole lot of business, a whole lot of setup of industry in India because of the, readjustment of the global situations, economic situations. And there are, the government is offering loans, liberal loans. The government is offering plenty of opportunities for the people to open their own businesses. You could be a Kiran Shaw Majumdar. You could be an entrepreneur of the level of Ambani. Why not? You should dream big. You should bring high dreams should be there. So it is going to be through skill development, and our country needs, skilled youth. Well, the youth who are just with plain BAs and the degrees, they could have less opportunities of employment than the youth who are skilled, who are empowered already. And so far, our experience has shown us that this kind of degree takes you immediately into the jobs. And in fact, we are repeatedly asked by the industries, related industries, to keep, कि हमें और ज्यादा से ज्यादा इस तरह के क्वालिफाइड स्टूडेंट्स चाहिए, लेकिन हमारे पास होते नहीं है, क्योंकि उनकी जल्दी से जो एम्प्लॉयमेंट, उनकी जो एब्जॉर्प्शन हो जाती है, प्लेसमेंट्स हो जाती है, एंड गुड पैकेजेस. सो कितने प्रोग्राम्स हैं, उसकी क्या डिटेल्स हैं? आई विल नाउ इनवाइट डॉक्टर गोपी शर्मा to go ahead. I believe that she has a good presentation for you. And then I would also request the following experts to focus on the online admissions. And I want to tell everybody that we have an excellent facility of a hostel. This is a 135 years old institution, very, very reputed, number one, in India, in many categories, in the last year's survey of India Today. So at that level, when you join a college which is so highly respected, so highly, with a very great reputation behind it, 135 years of experience, you can imagine that we have all the facilities. There is no dearth of facilities as far as the hostel is concerned. Very modern, very, comfortable, very, very safe hostel. And now, of course, our campus, we have a huge campus. So social distancing and sanitizing is not a problem for us. It's a 37 acres campus and the hostel is huge. You can go to the website and see all the facilities. So I once again, would love to welcome all the students, the new entrants. But before that, you must know the programs. You must make the right choices, for which I now hand you over to Dr. Gopi Sharma. And I wish you all a very good webinar. And I hope that, there are good results from this webinar and you can, ask your questions. And at the end of the webinar, everything is clear in front of you. And we look forward to welcome you in Kanya Mahavidyalaya. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. As principal ma'am has given a very detailed and elaborative discussion of what is the basically need for the skill development for a better job market. So I will just share with you some findings or some description of DDU Kanya Mahavidyalaya, DDU Kaushal Kendra as just a minute, I will. Yeah, okay. So if we, as ma'am has said that Kanya Mahavidyalaya DDU Kaushal Kendra is like a pioneer in case of skill development. We have been established since 2015 when our skill development center was established. So I will just give you a small glimpse of what we do, what we are doing, and how we are doing, and how we are contributing to our development of our nation. So the KMV has started with a vision and mission to become a flag bearer of women empowerment through higher education that combines the global trend. I must apprise you that our students are internationally placed. We have many collaborations. Our overall Kanya Mahavidyalaya, we have signed MOUs with the leading universities of America as well as Canada also, and the value-based nurturing the enlightening young women. So the basically our our task is to improve employability because this is a competitive edge. So if you look at the present situation, companies will prefer to have a trained manpower who can be directly employable rather than कि वो किसी को लें फिर उसको train करें and they waste time and money for that. And then the skilled manpower adds a lot of value to the company. So that's a need of the आज की ये जरूरत है, that is a need of the hour. So what we can do, why we should go for these programs. So let me give you a glimpse, because our syllabus is aligned as per the industry requirement. So जब हमारी board of studies होती है, then the whole panel that sit across and decide, उसमें industry representatives होते हैं जो हमें बताते हैं कि ठीक है हमारी ज़रूरत क्या है, what is our requirement, हमें इस तरह का पर्सन चाहिए। हमें रिटेल में हमारे पास अगर बोर्ड मेंबर्स में बड़े बड़े स्टोर ऑनर्स और उनके ट्रेनर्स हैं, मैनेजर्स हैं, सो दे सिट विद अस एंड डिस्कस that these are a requirement. So तो उसी के साथ we focus more on hands-on training. So, and also we have various multiple exit and entry points. For example, I will just explain a little bit. You have only 1 year. So you want that, okay, I should start my employment after 1 year. Okay, you do the diploma with us and then you can leave. And after 2 years of job, you decided, no, I want to complete my graduation now. Then you will be directly admitted to second year. वो आपका 1 year waste नहीं होगा. And then again you can complete your second year, you can have an advanced diploma. So, and also we have lot many programs in which we say that internship programs that study along with work and study. So many programs, they are offered by KMV. Dual benefits, as ma'am has rightly said, that we give degree by Guru Nanak Dev University, we are an autonomous college, but the degree is awarded by Guru Nanak Dev University, and skill certificates by Government of India. I will come a little bit detail to that also. And as I said, we have a global edge that our skill certification is valid worldwide. We cater with a lot many economical weaker sections of society. So our fee structure is very nominal, cheap and best education provided. Students become employable even after completion of short-term certificate, like 6 month certificate course. हमारे बच्चे इन हाउस ट्रेनिंग में इतना अर्न कर लेते हैं जितना कि वो पूरा अपनी फीस से डबल दे अर्न. So there are, because we have a tie up with the leading industries. हमें सेक्टर स्किल काउंसिल जो कि गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की हमारी collaborations है, they periodically evaluate us from time to time, and we give many industrial trip visits and internship for better exposure to our students. So if we look at the programs we are offering at present, we may expand in the near future also. At present we are offering MWalk in and BWalk in animation, MWalk and BWalk in retail management, MWalk and BWalk in textile design and apparel technology, BWalk in management and secretarial practices, BWalk in photography and journalism, BWalk in nutrition, exercise and health, and BWalk in beauty and wellness. I will just go quickly through one by one on these programs. Okay, if you look at this, see the beautiful infrastructure of animation. If you look at the animation course, just Google it out, then you will come to know that animation is offered as a course in which the fee structure is in lakhs. It doesn't fall below than 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs and so on. But the KMV has excellent infrastructure for animation, where we have the i7 systems. i7 systems along with the various tabs and monitors and Autodesk Maya. So many softwares are there. We have Wacom tabs and so on, and well furnished. We have 4 labs exclusively dedicated to animation department. 2D labs, 3D labs are also. And if you look at the job opportunities for animation, we have graphic designer, concept artist, 2D flash animator, film and video editors, video director, digital painters, storytellers. I cannot explain all this on this short duration webinar, but what you can do that you go to our website, you type in Google that Kanya Mahavidyalaya, and then go to Skill Development Center. So you can see all these description over there, all the details over there, that how our various programs are giving employment to lot many section of women's, be it from economical weaker section, or as ma'am said that these programs have a one edge above the basic degree. Now have a glimpse at the retail management. So look at the beautiful infrastructure. One of the very nice feature of retail management, that students run their own store. They buy products from the market, they run it, and you can see this retail management beautiful lab, that is a store operated by the students, and then where they learn. And not only this store selling the products and so on, but they have an e-retail lab also, where they learn all things about e-commerce and so on, and tele and everything. And these are center is visited by luminaries from time to time. As we can see, our own Minister of the State is visiting this lab. And the job opportunities are retail banker, retail management, store management, regional sale manager, marketing executives, supply chain distributor, and so on. If we look at the infrastructure for the textile department and textile design and apparel technology. We have all the latest equipments required for that. We have high-tech machines, we have high-tech computers, we have the AutoCAD lab, we have the khaddis for to train the students with the traditional as well as the modern art. So our fashion designer are doing extremely nice. So they have the placement in the well-established companies also, but the students, they have become entrepreneur. They're earning a lot on their own. So the job opportunities, fashion designer, fashion coordinator, pattern maker, sales manager, boutique owner, and so on. Similarly, for the management and secretarial practices, it's very nice to wear formal coats, formal pants, have a smile on the face and say, may I help you? I'm your manager, so and so. So, but we give this professional training in the form of a BVOC in the management and secretarial practices. As you can see, we have various nice lecture rooms, theaters, classrooms, and also the students, they do in-house training also. They come and train, they join various departments, they go outside, they work in the evening, they work as a assistant managers for the various sections of industry as well as the educational institutions. So they can become data entry operator. If you look at the job opportunities in the government section, you will see that railway requires data entry operator, banks require data entry operator, everyone requires data entry operator. So directly we train you so much and you are assessed by the NESCOM, and then you can be directly employed as a data entry operator, the direct government job, accounts clerk, advertisement editor, assistant publisher, associate desktop publisher, teleoperator, receptionist, presentation designers. And wow, we all need very good health. So these days, I think the four most important parameter is immunity. So you have to be improve your immunity. What kind of diet should have? Everybody likes to go to dietitian. We like to go to gym. We see the gym trainers. The women are very comfortable if there is a women gym trainer. So a lot many opportunities. They earn so much because they work for hours, 2 hours in this section, 2 hours in another section, and so on. So we have a food lab. We have a very high tech gym which is fully air conditioned as a classroom, as a training section, and the students, they give training to then staff members, the hostel mates, and so on. We have a diet clinic. So these are the just a little bit glimpses of the infrastructure available at KMV. You can have a job role of dietitian, yoga instructor, diet assistant, diabetic educator, nutritionist, catering manager, and so on. If we look at the program of BVOC in photography and journalism, I think it's quite known to all listeners also that our Radio Wow is so popular. And the students, they are doing excellence in the photography. Photography is no longer a domain of men only. Women have become an excellent photographer because they exactly know that what kind of portfolio model is required. But we are looking forward how to picturize, which sections of to be highlighted, and journalism. I think if we even look at the TV channels, the women journalists are doing extremely nice. So in these 3 years, we train you so much that you can opt your masters either in photography or in journalism or even both also, because you get to know the train from the experts. Like we try to have an experts from FTI and so on, from the leading places across the India. We have high-tech studios, we have audio-visual labs, we have recording studios, and so on. If you log on to our channel, KMV Feedback YouTube channel, you will come to see the work of all students who have done very nicely. All the pictures, the documentaries made by the students. You just have to log on to YouTube, that is a KMV Feedback channel. Job opportunities, journalist, TV anchor, radio jockey, as I told you, on the same Facebook page where you are attached to us through this one, this live telecast, you can see the Radio Wow, which is run totally by the students. So you can be radio jockey, you can placed in various stations, brand manager, public relation officer, event manager. Very nice job of event manager. We all need event managers for our home, or and you can work for the freelancer, script writer. I think Punjabi industry is also coming up very nicely. So the Bollywood industry or the Punjabi industry, they need writers. So beauty and wellness. So that's our most favorite and program, that is a beauty and wellness. If you look at the infrastructure that we have, very nice early labs. It's like nice to say them even labs, but they see, look at the high-tech infrastructure, saloons. where the students are offering service to the other students, to the society members also. Their high-tech classrooms, which are supported by the audio-visual labs. We have BWalk in beauty and wellness. We have even masters in this program, but that is known as a masters in cosmetology. So you can have your undergrad or postgraduate and so on. You can be a job of makeup artist, beauty therapist, beautician, cosmetic advisor, salon manager, hair trainer, hairdressers, and so on. And not only this, as ma'am has said, that we have collaborations across India, and we have sector scale councils who are like media and entertainment sector scale council who assesses our photography journalism as well as animation. We have retail RASI sector scale council attached. They are a government setup who comes and evaluate us, give us certification. So students get two kinds of certificate. We have NESCOM for the data entry operator or the management and secretarial courses, healthcare sector skill concept, beauty and wellness. So these are the just a small glimpse of industry partner who are associated with the DDU Kaushal Kendra of Kanya Mahavidyalaya. You can see the big groups like Pantaloon, Shoppers Stop, Anhat Studio, VIP Motion Pictures. They are all associated with Kanya Mahavidyalaya. We have signed an MOU with them, and these are MOUs not only on papers. They regularly visit. Our students go there for training. One Design Solutions, Saurabh Gupta, Superfine Meters. Our students go there for the trainings. They come and participate with us. They attend our board of studies meeting. The curriculum is designed as per their requirements. You can see the leading newspapers like Dainik Jagran, Bhaskar, Radio Mirchi, Sri Ram Kardik Center for the Health, Yogpathy, and so on. So we designed the curriculum as per their requirement, and the students go there for the training and place there also. Yeah, just a small glimpse of the images, you can see that how the board of studies took place, how the various representatives across the India, they come, they sit together, decide that what kind of practical component has to be there. So industry academia meets, they are very important, where we organize these meets, where we invite all the industry persons, and so that we can understand what they need. So we don't want to leave any gap in between. So what is required for the industry, as I said in the beginning, that we train you so nicely that company will directly hire you without any gap. Otherwise, in after doing a basic course, you try to again adopt some skill, and then you go for the job and lose a lot of time. But in this, you join us, you earn, you pay your fees, and then you get employable. So as we see, that is a continuous engagement with the Sector Skill Council. We revive our MOUs, we participate in the various meetings, and these are just job roles, just glimpses I'm going to share here. But the details, all these details, you can see on our website of, again, I'm saying, go to Google, type Kanya Mahavidyalaya Jalandhar, go to KMB, all the descriptions of Kanya Mahavidyalaya Jalandhar, and then you can go to Skill Development Center. All these details are there. Job roles for the, and these are the levels. I must apprise you that you must have heard the mission, that is a Kushal Bharat, Kaushal Bharat. In that we have various levels. That is a, you are certified by Government of India at level 4 or 5 or 6 or 7. So further details of these levels are also available on Google also, that NSQF level, that is a Government of India's various levels, and we cater exams to all these levels. So these are the sum of certificates, because many students, almost each year they receive the certificate. And you can see these are a Government of India logo. We cannot use it. It is given to us by the Sector Scale Council, that is a Satyamev Jayate. And each student has a barcode here. That barcode contains the information in which your Aadhaar number is stored. So wherever you go, even if you go at the international level, they scan this barcode and the complete information comes out. What is your name, parents' name, your Aadhaar number, and you are skilled under this category. So you become the skilled workers of India at the national as well as the international levels. So just a glimpse of the certificates. As I said, we organize many activities, be it the workshop, be it the modeling, visits, or chart making competitions, or business plans, exhibition come sale. So we give opportunity to students to sell their products. From time to time, we organize exhibitions come sale, where you make your product and you sell it out. And these are the some of the activities of the animation department. I must apprise you that for animation students who have worked in the Bollywood, they have worked for the hit films like in Padmavat and so on. Students have assisted for their animation part of the films and so on. So it's an excellent, we teach even the acting also, the workshop on acting for the animation. Visits are supported. Similarly, you can see that activities for textile. Our fashion show is so popular that even if you go to again the KMB feedback and look at the glimpses of KMB fashion show, this fashion show is, I think, at par, or to be even moderate to say that it with the Lakme Fashion Weeks. So look at the how beautifully the models are dressed up, or the confidence they walk on, and all these are supported because we have an excellent department to do, be it the fabric painting, block painting, stitching, designing, and so on. And just some of the activities, as I told you, that management and secretarial practices. Not even a single student who have been passed out from this course is sitting free without any job. There are so many job opportunities that they have to choose where we want to go and what we want to opt in future. Similarly, for the photography and journalism, the students, all students are placed in the leading newspapers or the radio jockeys and so on, because they are so much exposed. As you can see that they have visited the Z Punjab, Haryana and Himachal. You can see the visit to Tribune Chandigarh, Surajkund, photo exhibition, workshop on previous FTI alumni, that is by making of documentary. A beautiful documentary is made by the students. It is also available on our YouTube channel. Students, they do the photography and put in a form of exhibition, that photography exhibition. Activities of beauty and wellness. I think this department needs no formal introduction or so on, because the students, they are doing so nicely. They learn airbrush makeup, bridals. If not, they are catering to the all the areas close to Kanya Mahavidyalaya. They come for the services. You can see even the bridal makeups, hair stylings, hair coloring. So why not to follow your passion? If you have a passion for the beauty and wellness, take a degree also. Degree of the, as ma'am has said in the beginning, that it is a degree at par with any BA, BSc, BCom, or so on. It is passed in parliament that these are the equivalents. There is an equivalence. You can sit for IAS, you can sit for any exam, banking, and so on. So these are activities of nutrition, exercise, and healthcare. The visit to AIMS, New Delhi, extension lectures by the AIMS um, dietitians or so on, cooking workshops by the NFCI, I think National Food Corporation of India. So the best is provided in DDU Kaushal Kendra of KMB. So almost every day, or more than 2 times in a day, I will say that we are in the newspapers. We are widely covered by the media. So even you can see all these news and so on our website also. If you want to join us or know us, of course, you can go to our website, but you can join these programs also. We are coming up with these programs like 1 week free course on fundamentals of retail management. You can enroll for motivation lecture for student of faculty of management and secretarial practices in first week of June. You can join the webinar also. Why imagination is important for animation. You can join webinars on media consumption in India by Mr. Anurab Das Gupta. I think he needs no further introduction and so on. So I cannot share here all the students' work, the work which students have done, because it will take a lot of time. Again, we will upload this work on just a minute. We will upload this work on our YouTube channel also of KMB Feedback. And you can see this work on the Skill Development Center site of Kanya Mahavidyalaya also, where we will upload all the work by the students. It is not like fabricated or anything. It is genuinely, and because there is so much huge database which cannot be shared here on this platform. So we will provide the links on our website also, on the Skill Development Center also, that if you want to see animation work, the films made by the students. Even these days, everybody is like into online teaching, but see how difficult it is for a nursery class student or first class student to make them sit in front of a computer unless something interesting is served to them. To serve that interesting, if you have if you are teaching through cartoons or ABC and so on, they become very much enjoyable. The teaching becomes very much enjoyable for them. So you can sell these products at the very high price. I think animation, cartoons, and so on need no introduction. So you can see this work. You can see work of photography and journalism, documentaries made by the students. So I'm open to all the questions. And also we, as in the told by Ms. Chetna in the beginning, that we have our full panel with us. We have our admission in charge, Dr. Gurjot Kaur. We have our principal ma'am with us. We have all the course in charges who are uh, running these programs very successfully with me, with the whole team across the DDU Kaushal Kendra. They are with us. We have staff members in this meeting, so we can deal with all of your queries. And so the house is open for any kinds of questions. Chetna, you have to unmute your mic. The mic is muted. Okay.
Ma'am, we have
Yeah.
lots.
No, again it's muted. Please, we cannot listen you. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Better.
we have seen lots of question in a chat box, and I can see Facebook page too. Ma'am, our first question that how vocational course can help students in getting better jobs.
As ma'am has also said in the beginning, and I have also explained in the presentation, that in vocation you do what? You have two kinds of backup. One is your general component, that is the same at par with the other programs like BA, BSc or BComs. But you get a training to become employable also. So you can be directly placed in industries, you can meet the industry requirements. And so during training, during study also, you can earn your money, you can earn your fees. So this is a win-win situation in both cases.
I hope this will work for the students, ma'am. The another question is this true that skill education is now called as an quality education?
Yes, it is. Even if you look at the national call, our honorable Prime Minister Shri Modi sir, he has always said that we have only one slogan to raise, that is a Kushal Bharat, Kaushal Bharat. If we are skilled, we can be at par with America, Australia, and Germany. If you look at the vocational centers of then, they are two best for the Australia and the Germany. So that is definitely need of the hour and our future.
Ma'am, student want to ask that what is the duration of these courses?
Duration is 3 years for the BVOC and 2 years for the MVOC programs. But as I said, we have multiple entry and exit points. So you can you can leave us after 1 year, then again you can come back. So if you do 6 months, you get certificate. If you do 1 year, you get a diploma. After 2 years, you get advanced diploma. And after 3 years, you get a complete degree. So it's your choice. Even you can leave after 2 years, then you can join for the third year. But it is always better to complete your degree, so that you can, even if tomorrow you decide to go for MBA, as ma'am said, you can appear for MBA, IS, and so on. And also you're skilled. You're skilled retailer, you're skilled animator, you're skilled textile designer, and so on.
There are lots of questions. I'm looking at the one that the person is asking that I am currently working. Am I eligible to join these courses?
See, we need to if he is working in animation industry, then we have a certain guidelines by the government of India, that is called as a ROP, that is a request prior learning, RPL. It is called as a RPL, that where we assess the person that how much skill you have, so in which level we can admit you. That depends. So I request to our viewer on that you can also, yes, I missed a very important point, how to contact us. If you go to our website, there are, as ma'am said, that we have a process for online admissions and the contact numbers. My contact number is given, and all the other course in charges, staff members contact numbers are given. You please contact us, and then we can provide you the details that how with your job we can check your RPL and can admit you. But I must say that it is a women's college, so at present we are taking only women's for this programs. But shortly, maybe in the coming pipelines, we will have some programs which will be co-ed also.
Ma'am, there is one question regarding what is the procedure of online admission and mode of payment?
Okay, online admission, you need to go to our website. There is a link for online admission. There is a WhatsApp number also. So even if you find any little bit difficulty, but although there is nothing, it's very simple process. You have to fill your name and details, and our admission coordinators will be in touch with you. If you have some problem for the difficulty in filling up of the form, we will assist you. We will provide you the links, and the college bank account details are given where you can make the fee payment. As ma'am said, our college is very generous because our prime focus is for the humanity, to serve the humanity. We are not into something into money making machines or so. So we give many liberal scholarship fee concessions. Part payments are even also allowed for the college. So you can register yourself, then you can pay, and so on.
And ma'am, one more question is there that the participant has asked that he or she has a gap in their education of 3 years. Can they join this course?
Yes, you can join. Even if your mother is at home of 50 years or 55 years, even if your bhabhi or your friends or cousins who have done +2, our basic eligibility is 10 +2. You must have completed your +2. Then you can come and join us. And even if you have not 5 or 3 years, even if you have a gap of 10 years, 15 years, no issues. You can join, and we have many programs at various levels. You can come and become employable. If I'm not wrong, then in the course of dietitian, we have almost a 50 years old women who came and completed the dietitian course with us, and now she is running her own diet clinic. So you can.
And ma'am, one more question is there that one student has asked if she allowed to pursue diploma with online degree.
Online
Uh,
degree and diploma. See, if you join with us, if I'm able to understand that, then she will have a regular degree with us. It will not be distance education. So we offer the regular programs, so she can have a regular diploma with us. And if she wants to join any other online some MOOC or so, she can join. But with us, we don't provide the distance education. It is a regular degree where even at present also we are giving online education. But the once this epidemic is over, we will have our classes on the campus also. But by then we are giving this online classes.
Ma'am, many people have asked that how these courses are different from PMKVY courses, which are generally for short
PMKY
term.
is at junior level. PMKY is up to 10th level, or say, or if the candidates have passed a 5th only, then they can go for that. They are the small scale jobs after the PMKY. But we are offering is said that, as ma'am in her address also said, that you can become an entrepreneur. You become skilled. You can run your own business. You can become a fashion designers. You can become a retailers, but also you are getting your undergrad degree. See, that's the spirit, that's the beauty of the program. You're getting your master's degree from Guru Nanak Dev University, your bachelor. You're not only 10th pass, or you are just not a plumber or electrician or so on. You are having a BVoc degree, you are having a master's degree, even you can go to PhD program also. Shortly, maybe in the future plans of pipelines of KMB, even we have the plans to.
I may like to intervene here. That as far as the online programs are concerned, it's a win-win situation for the students now, because as long as this COVID-19 situation exists and they follow on, the cascading effect is going to stay for a few months. So I mean, we cannot predict what's going to happen, but then it seems like it's going to stay for some time. I mean, the precautions and all that. So as long as the schools and colleges cannot hold regular classes, we have a very developed online teaching system. We have our own learning management system of the college, very established, very developed. And so all your education, those who cannot immediately attend the college, I mean, for them it's a win-win situation, because you're going to get a regular degree and still the education, a larger part of this semester is going to be done online. And we are going to make sure that all your practical training, all your, the hands-on training, it's going to be done online very effectively, because in the learning management system, it is possible to show you the practicals, the videos of you while the teacher is giving you the hands-on training. And also it will be a combination, it will be a blended education wherein you are having the online programs and also you are having the contact program in the college. And your degrees are going to be normal, the regular degrees, not just the online thing. So for this semester, it's a win-win situation for the students who do not want to or who are not able to come to the college because the question related to online, if we are going to be, so definitely we are going to be online as well, though the degree of course is going to be regular because of the present situation.
Yes.
Thank you.
Ma'am, we have come across with the question many times, like people ask that they want to go abroad, how these courses will helpful.
If you look at the immigration sites, or even if you look at the NSDC, National Skill Development Corporation of India, for example, retailer certificate of the RASI certificates, our students are placed, they have been placed in Canada also. They are working in Walmart and so on. Shortly, we are going to upload all this information on our website also, which is right now is under construction. So after a few days also, you will get all this description there. But these certificates, as I said, they have a barcode and by the Sector Skill Council, and the whole information is stored. Once you go abroad also, that barcode can be scanned and the whole information can be obtained. So you will get help in your getting placed at abroad also.
Basically what Dr. Sharma is trying to say is that the degrees are, this is a very major thing for everyone to know, that Sector Skill Council degrees are accepted internationally.
Yes, yes.
So this is the most important thing, that let's say that you have a BVOC degree or an MVOC degree, you do not need an equivalence procedure for that. It is accepted in all the countries. Our students who have had, and these postgraduate programs, the MVOC programs are not easily available anywhere. Let's say the MVOC in animation, the MVOC in retail management, or the MVOC in some other subjects that we have. So these degrees, the master's degree is going to, or the BVOC degree, it is acceptable internationally. Technically, it's a very sound degree.
Yeah.
So that's a very plus point.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I think it's gave a clear picture to the student. And one more question is there, ma'am, that they want to ask, how useful is vocational education from job perspective?
As we have already, that is a main gist of this whole webinar, that when you, even while studying, you are earning your fee and you are doing paid trainings, internships, and so on. So once you complete your degree, at the same level, you have cleared the NSQF level 7, that is a qualification level 7, you become directly employable. So you compare yourself within a simple BA students, for example, and you are having a BVOC, BA versus BVOC in animation or retail or textile. So you can directly become a manager in any store. You can become a manager in the leading stores across the India. You can join the animation industry. You can join the filmmaking. You can join the journalist department. You are not unskilled in that way.
Basically what we need to tell you is that all these syllabi, why you are employable? Because all the syllabi of BVOC and MVOC programs, they are developed with the industrial partnership, with the requirements of the industry, and the national skill the equivalence committee, they pass sector skill councils, they recommend these syllabi only if the syllabi is in sync with the requirements of the industry, related industry. So since they have accepted these syllabi details as their requirements, so any student who is passing with all this is directly employable. I hope the point is clear.
60% of syllabus is practical component. 60% of syllabus is practical.
That I would like, I don't know if there is a question or not, but I want to clarify one thing for every listener, that the BVOC and the MVOC students, they are like any other regular student in the college. They are not a separate kind of identity. Their development and their overall acceptance into the system is in fact even better than the normal traditional courses. So never have this point in mind that a BVOC or an MVOC student is attending not really a regular college or something. They are very much a part of the, just because it's a new concept, it doesn't mean that we should misunderstand this. So this is just an amazing kind of a concept where, as I already said, it's a win-win situation for the students. You're getting the requisite degrees accepted everywhere in the higher echelons of research or any other UGC or other requirements, and also you are internationally accepted, which the traditional degrees do not have with them.
Yes.
So that's
Thank you so much, ma'am. You already answered our next question, which is on the same page, that how this course is different from other courses. And ma'am, one question is there that person says that should I study for a certificate?
how it's different.
Yes, ma'am.
It's very important, because the edge is that it has a very huge portion of practical training. Whereas in traditional programs, as I said, that though in our college with our autonomy, we have tried to upgrade the traditional programs also with skill components. But that skill component in traditional programs like MAs and BAs and BComs and BScs is not as much as the focus on skill development in BVOC and MVOC programs. That is the difference. And the practical training, as Dr. Sharma has already shown you in her presentation, the laboratories and the infrastructure that we have. So that is the difference, that you have your special labs. Let's say you are training in managerial practices. In an ordinary MBA degree or something, you may just have more of the, the theory part. But in MVOC degree, you are going to be having the practical training, on the job training, and that will enable you, to fly with the job, because and the industry is very happy that you have come with those skills in which you have trained. So your absorption and your intake into the jobs becomes much easier. That is the difference.
Yeah. Also, we would like to add that in the same Facebook page where we are live at present now, and also on our official YouTube channel, that is KMB Feedback, we will upload the short videos of each department, where you can give a detailed infrastructure provided by each department, their placements, their alumni, and so on, and the workshops and contact numbers, so that you can also go through that. That is a kind of virtual virtual tour of our campus, that you can log on to KMB website also to look at the all facilities provided by KMB. You have to type in Google.
Virtual tour of the college is there, and the virtual tour of the labs is there.
Labs is there.
So you can,
you can just Google KMB Jalandhar, and you will directly reach to our webpage.
Ma'am, one more question, that should I stay, one person is asking, should I stay for certificate or diploma qualification and exit after that?
Yes, you can. You can exit after that. No issues. We will give you certificate, and then you can again enter. You can again come back in the second year or third year. Once again, it's my request to all the listeners on this live show that presently we are open for BVOCs and MVOCs, but BVOC and MVOC degrees for girls. So please, it's a request that boys who want to join us, they can in future in the evening classes. Ma'am has given us kindly permission to have evening classes for the retail and for the animation diplomas, retail in animation as well as in the filmmaking. We will come up with it shortly. But otherwise, for the textile, beauty and wellness, presently we are taking only girls.
But you need to clarify. You need to clarify if we are open, if you are open to register the boys for the evening classes right away.
Yes, ma'am. We will put this notice on our website also shortly. So for that, you have to visit our website regularly. We will keep on updating there, and we will advertise it through all the social media also. But it will take.
So the good news for the boys is that since it's a course which is highly professional, yes, and not available easily, in this region also, and encouraged with the, demand that the industry has. So we decided that this benefit must go to the boys as well. Why not only girls?
Details.
We decided that we will have the evening classes for those who, for the boys who can and who can join, the evening classes, and also the professional women who are unable to join the morning classes. So they can do their skill diplomas, skill development diplomas in animation, in retail management, and in the coming days in the film making also diploma. So these are the 3 diplomas that we are opening for boys in the evening. The first time in our history that we are allowing that kind of facility. So
Yes.
boys, you have to rush, you have to make use of this facility, and you will be given this, because this particularly was done on the suggestion of the members on our academic council of the outside universities, the experts. They said that why you are doing an excellent job producing professionals, but why only is this facility limited to girls? Because we in India, we need to empower the youth on the whole. So that was the time when we started thinking that yes, it can be done. So last year this suggestion was there by the experts on our academic council and our governing body. So after listening to them, we started thinking, and then the management together with myself, we decided that this facility should be given to the boys as well, because we cannot be selfish just about the women education. So just for the evening programs we have started this, and animation has an excellent professional staff in the college, and the same is with the retail management. So having been fired with the success of the placements, we thought that this facility must also be extended to the boys. So the men, the boys, the professional people who are working in the morning, they can join in the evening. And even the women, you need to give our employment certificate. So if you're employed somewhere and you cannot attend the classes in the regular college in the morning, then you are eligible to apply for the evening classes, which will be again held in on the campus only, in the specialized laboratories that we have done for these programs. And filmmaking also is going to be open.
I would like to add, we have limited seats. So it is my request to all who wish to join us or are watching us on this live show, that we cannot admit even one per student beyond the limited number of seats. That is a condition to us by University Grant Commission, as we have limited seats. So please, it is a first come first serve basis, because after that then we get lot many phone calls or requests that ma'am, please just one student more or 2 students more. It is not possible. So we always give, that's why we are here on this platform today, that
That's
it is
a very important point Dr. Sharma has brought out. That last year, we had a huge long list on the waiting
Yes.
side. So
Yes.
we could not admit those students
not
because the
admit.
seats are very strictly limited and numbered.
Number.
So because these courses are so much in demand, so you all need to rush and book your seats so that you are not disappointed later. That's why we are doing this webinar, so that the
Yes.
best of the lot, the best of the students who deserve to be empowered, they should know these facilities. And after this, I would request somebody to go through maybe Madam Suman is also here, if she's prepared for this. So can somebody also explain the online admission process, which is available on the
Yeah,
college?
we have our admission coordinator, Dr. Gurjot, also with us in the Zoom.
All right.
So I request Dr. Gurjot to please speak up, and so that camera can be shifted to her.
Okay.
Or Mrs. Suman Khurana on the live panel. Okay, maybe some technical issues on their side. So I will explain that you need to go to our website and then click on online admissions. Then you will be directed to create an account with us, that you need to enter your name or mobile number, and you will get the details how to proceed further. Very basic minimum information we need, like your parents' name, your minimum eligibility, and like you have done +2 or BA. Yeah, or I would like to add here that in these BWork programs, even if you have done BA or MA and so on, even then you can come back. You can come and join in BWork programs. Many students who have done the nutrition course, I think the Niti ma'am is here, the students who have done BSc Biotechnology, they have become dietitians now, they have become the yoga instructors now. So you can come and join us after that, but you just there are 2 processes. Either you do the online admissions, or you click on, we have a WhatsApp number. It's very quick. You just click on yes, Dr. Pradeep Arora has given very nicely the glimpse of this new registration. You need to enter your name, your gender, the father's or guardian name, mother's name, date of birth, category, religion, and the small form you fill, and then after that you are registered with us for the admission, and you get the bank account details to where you can pay your registration or admission money. as ma'am has said that we have limited seats, so please register first and block your seat so that we are committed with you. And after that, we cannot entertain anyone. We have WhatsApp number also. Just send one message that, okay, I'm interested to join. I'm so and so. And our admission coordinators think, one of the coordinator, we will be in touch with you right away. So
there are some telephone numbers which we can put up on the screen. Or we can tell after, I don't know if Dr. Gurjot is here, but we do have her telephone number.
She's not here, ma'am, due to some technical issue.
Okay.
okay,
So,
but
you,
we have Suman ma'am here. I have seen Mrs. Suman Khurana here. Suman ma'am, can you display the website number from the website? Can you show some numbers, phone numbers, contact numbers from the college website? We have given the online admission helpline numbers there. And then you simply need to go to our website. So from our website, you will get all the information details over there. Even my number is there, and you just have to type Kanya Mahavidyalaya.
There is a WhatsApp option available.
Yes.
So there is a WhatsApp option available. So you just click on the WhatsApp link. You will get
WhatsApp, and immediately the message will come to us, and we will be in touch with you.
well, I have this number. Anybody who wants to note, it's 9814406986. This is the number of the Dean of Admissions, Dr. Gurjot. I'll repeat it, 98140. Sorry, yes, 981406986. So this is the number where or you can go to the website, and as rightly put, that you can even have the WhatsApp, you have the WhatsApp facility, or you have the calling numbers there also, where you can contact the people and go ahead. Whatever your generic issues will be addressed immediately. Or if you need assistance in admission, or there is a problem in payment, you could talk to them. And then the college also has a desk, a help desk or admission desk, where you can approach physically if you want to visit the college. So you will be assisted, you will be given the required, the forms, and you can fill and get yourself registered or admitted if you wish to visit. So we have a help desk here, we have admission process on the website, and we have telephone numbers, and we also have the WhatsApp communication facility, the number as I have dictated to you, or you can visit the website and get all the help.
I would like to share very good news with all the listeners. Please, I would like to share that as ma'am said.
Gopi ma'am, there is a question on the Facebook.
Yeah, I'm addressing one question from Zoom also, please. There is one information, as ma'am said, that our students are placed internationally. So even recently, one of our student who did BVOC in textile in design and apparel technology got directly masters in Canada without any gap or without giving any bridge courses or the papers or the equivalents. So my request to Ms. Vibhuti Kalia, who is dealing with the textile design and apparel technology, that she should upload the information about these students also on our webpage. And as well as
there are other placements on Walmart and retail management also. We have placements, and any other in charge of the program. If you want to tell about your international placements, there are plenty of international placements. Whenever our students have gone abroad, they've been directly employed.
Yeah.
So if somebody wants to share, you are welcome to.
I will also share my own mobile number for any, as if the other number is busy. You can please note down my number also. My name is Dr. Gopi Sharma. You can contact me on 9888. I repeat, 9888014241. I reply to WhatsApp messages. I pick up all the phone calls. So feel free to be in touch with me. If you want to know about any information about DDU Kaushal Kendra or Kanya Mahavidyalaya courses, because college itself has many programs which have offered very good employability to the student, be it the science stream, be it the commerce or IT. So I will be happy to answer all of your queries. That is 9888014241. But you can get all these numbers on our website also. Now we hand over to Dr. Pradeep. He has some questions, I think, from the Facebook side.
Questions that is there any facility to continue studying abroad, and what is the procedure?
Yes, as your question and my previous description is just related, that these programs are internationally acceptable. So once you do diploma with us or advanced diploma with us, you can send your transcripts. We have a procedure for the transcripts also. The whole information can be obtained from our website also, that transcript, you get the transcript, apply for wherever you want to go, and you will be admitted in these programs at abroad, because at abroad skill development has a huge benefit in terms of employment also. And also, as I said to you, that this information, we have an examination cell, we have a cell with exclusively deal with the transcript, and shortly we will introduce to get these transcripts online also. And college has MOU with the leading universities from America as well as the Canada.
And
Or
another edge, Dr. Sharma, which you might be forgetting, is that the BVOC and MVOC programs have a credit system of assessment.
yes,
of,
yes,
of
yes,
your
I missed that
certification.
point. Yes.
So credit system is internationally accepted, as all the universities abroad are credit based. So this is not a percentile or percentage that works here. It is the credit based program. So in KMB, we are shifting to credit based programs, which are internationally accepted. So that's another edge that you have.
If I'm not wrong, ma'am, then the whole region, in the whole Jalandhar, I can faithfully say, or in Jalandhar, Amritsar, Pathankot, we are the only
We
institute.
are the only ones. In fact, in this region, we are the only ones.
Yes, in the whole region, if you look at Gurdaspur, Pathankot, Amritsar, Jalandhar, we are the only college in region, institution in region who have the credit-based system, which is internationally acceptable. Otherwise,
credit-based certification is very important when it comes to international.
Yes, international equivalence, because directly your credits are transferred.
Also, I would like to say that apart from these skill development programs, those students who might be looking at some other programs also, we have 3-year honors degree programs this year, which are again very well accepted abroad. Like we are starting a 3-year honors programs in physics. We have already started last year very successfully a huge class of honors in mathematics, 3-year degree program. And we already have a running, very established, very accepted, and exceptionally respected program in honors in English. And we also have honors programs in other subjects. You need to go to the website and see all that. I think this is going to be like a very unique thing, because again, these programs are not available in any other college when it comes to this whole region. So BSc honors in physics, BSc honors a 3-year degree program, not that traditional honors जहाँ 2 साल का वो एक honors का एक छोटा सा subject करा के वो BSc honors की degree लग जाती है. No, this is a 3-year degree honors degree program like BSc honors in physics or BSc honors in mathematics, BSc honors in English. So like this, we have a list of programs, 3-year degree honors programs, which you must look at on the website.
Even if we cannot cater all the queries or doubts on this platform because some time limitations and so on, I must apprise all of you that whole KMB staff is very cooperative, available all the time to students. Even in this epidemic of COVID-19, as ma'am has said to you, that we were able to deliver all the contents, even practical, hands-on training, theory through the learning management systems and so on, by every possible medium. Then feedback is taken. We follow each and every student. So if you wish to join us, if you want to be a team which is par excellence, then you have to rush, you have to register yourself, and we are there to help you. You can contact anyone from the team. You go to our website, you look at the details. Please go to the programs, then look at the department, then look at the staff. Whole information, mobile numbers, email IDs are there. If you face any difficulty, reach anyone from the top to bottom. You can contact anyone, and we are always there to help you out. You can drop any questions, any on the Facebook page. You can on the comment section. We will get it out. I can share you for that.
I can see lots of.
If any subject in charge wants to say something,
maybe I think Chetna has some other question. Chetna, do we have?
Yes, I can see lots of zeal, enthusiasm in the chat box because so many questions are popped out. I will read out one, which is like student want to ask that ma'am, they want to ask who all can opt these courses. I think you clearly and ma'am also clearly answered these questions, but still these questions are coming, you know,
We
again
told
and again.
anyone who is having 10+2 degree, anyone +2 holders should be there. They must have passed +2. They can come, they can join. Even if a 50 years old lady, no issues, 20
मैं
years
बंद
old,
करता
no
अपना
issues,
video.
anyone can come and join us. And at present, BVOCs and MVOCs, even if you have done BA, BCom, you have done MA in English or Hindi, you can come and join in any BVOC diploma. You can join in MVOC programs. For MVOC, we see a little bit of equivalence that you have expert. If you have done fashion designing, then we can take you in MVOC in textile design and apparel technology also.
And one last question is there that if they want to pursue for MVOC, is it important to do BVOC first, or they can, I mean, they can like
See, it
their
depends, as I told you, it depends on the equivalence of the departments, as we have MVOC in animation, MVOC in retail. So that course in charges, they will look at what you have done. Have you done BCom? Have you done BA? Have you done BSc? Then in that case, we provide assistance for the bridge courses also. That we, even if you are not expert in Tally and so on, we will enroll you, we will help you to go through the bridge courses and so on, but that is completely on the equivalence decided by the Board of Studies. As ma'am said that we have course in charges. So we have Suman ma'am here and Rashmi ma'am is here also.
I
Rashmi
want to
ma'am,
say
please
something.
enlighten about
Dr. Guru.
MVOC in retail management. Yeah.
No, for MVOC animation, we do not want the candidate to do BVOC and animation. Any graduate can.
Any graduate
We
can
train the very beginning to cover the required skill set, and it is not required that you should have BVOC first and then only you can do your MVOC. So it is not required. You can do MVOC with routine undergrad degree, any degree you have.
Yeah, now we have MVOC in charge of Miss Rashmi Sharma, Mrs. Rashmi Sharma. Please enlighten us about MVOC in retail
I
management.
would like to
I
add
think
here
that was a very important information Madam Suman has given.
Yeah.
That anyone with a normal, undergrad degree can join MVOC in
Animation. Hanji.
That is a very, very unique opportunity for the students.
Yes.
Because, the vocational courses are whatever the requirements, they have been made very easy so that more and more people can get vocationally educated. So students must make use of that.
Rashmi ma'am, please enlighten us about MVOC in retail management.
as far as admission in MVOC retail management is concerned, again, the criteria is same. Any student who has done either BA, BCom, BBA, BSc, anything can join MVOC retail management course. And the most important thing is that the retail management course has very good placements in abroad. Our students are placed in reputed retail stores, hypermarkets abroad. Like our students are placed in No Frills Canada. It's a very reputed store over there. They are placed in Walmart by just doing the BVOC in retail management, and then they have received level 7 certificate from Retailers Association Skill Council of India, that is the skill council for retail management, and they have issued the certificate for store manager, and they have got a job over there without doing any other course over there. So
Yes.
they have got very good placements abroad.
We have Mrs. Vibhuti Kalia to please add up for the MVOC in textile design and apparel technology. Mrs. Vibhuti, please.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, in textile design and apparel technology, only those students can take admission who have done BSc in fashion designing, BA in fashion designing, any relevant course in that field, particular field.
Yes.
They
But
can't-
if you have any taste for the fashion or
They
you
have- they can
for
do-
the best designer, they can come and join in diplomas also,
Yes,
advanced diploma also.
Yes, ma'am. For masters, they have to do a particular diploma in that field.
And recently, their student got directly admission in the masters in Canada
Masters in
after
Canada.
doing BVOC in textile design and apparel technology here. Chetna ma'am, do we have to cater more questions? Because I think principal ma'am has other.
No, it's
meetings.
okay. Actually, I think we have tackled enough questions and we have
Achha.
given the telephone numbers also. So we can
Haan ji.
wind up now. And any
Yes.
other questions you can continue to address later because you'll have the questions.
Yes.
And the participants are requested to leave their telephone numbers if they have more queries so that we can
Yes,
reach
we will reach them. We will reach them. Yes.
So
we will
thank you
call
very
them.
much, everyone. And especially, I would like to thank the host, Dr. Pradeep, for being here and all the other skill development in charges and the people who have participated. And Dr. Gopi Sharma, of course, very well organized. And I hope that the students will benefit a lot from it. And I'll just
Thank you.
repeat that seats are limited. So everyone who wants to
Yes.
join should, make sure that they get the seat.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I express my gratitude for your valuable time you spent for the students and parents who were in their
Thank you.
webinar. And on behalf of them also, I would like to thank you for sharing this useful information.
Thank you very
Thank you.
much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Have a
much,
good day.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.